Welcome back to Teach Man to Fish channel. In today's video, we're going to be building you a homemade duck blind. Of course, when it comes to floating docks or floating piers or even floating blinds, people are willing to spend all kinds of money on it, and somebody's out there willing to sell it. But you can go out there and even on eBay, you can buy these barrels for cheap. You can find them local or just use recycled wood the way we did. Most of the materials used in this build were recycled from an old deck, some old barrels that we were able to get for free. All told, we probably have about $300 in this, I'd say.
Ready? What are you doing? I'm trying to push that. Ready?
Each of those barrels rests in a frame. It's not actually touching the decking, so it wedges into each pocket on all four sides locked in. And we were going to use some ductwork straps, but couldn't find those at the hardware store, so we went to the metal section. Basically, we got some aluminum flat bar. We were able to drill holes on each end and then screw it into the frame. Some people even use rope to strap the barrels in. We're going to be doing a lot of moving and running aground, so it's not just a floating platform out in the middle, so we wanted to use something a little bit more sturdy than that and isn't susceptible to sun damage over time. You definitely want to make sure that you have it in the water when you start putting all that decking on, all that additional weight. I wouldn't even want to think about moving this thing as I was putting it in. I expect each barrel to support about 450 pounds.
And then on the inside, do a board across and a board at the bottom, and that'll give you your space. We'll just do
Not actually a product sponsor, but I got these new Game Walker ear protection, hearing protection, and they performed pretty well with the speaker and the volume control. There's a little bit of feedback coming in with that squeak. Another little close-up of the homemade transom that we did there, because we did want to use a motor on this.
Oh shoot, man. Where's the volume control?
Say something. Say something.
Say something nice.
Whisper it.
Alright. I can hear good with these on.
I'm gonna say a number, and I'm gonna whisper it, and you see if you can hear it. Ready? 2, 3, 8.
I gotta turn them up.
Yeah, already all the way up.
No, I turned them up. I turned them down. Alright, now.
2, 3, 8.
2,
3,
3.
8.
I gotta give me a set of these. But those are much stronger than this. Oh yeah, these are great. Much stronger.
Since this is going to be dual purpose, both a floating duck blind, and then during the summer it's going to be a floating dock or a floating pier out there on the water for us, we decided to go ahead and put some carpet down.
Looking all right? Yeah. All right.
At this point, with the blue barrels underneath, we're pretty much where we need to be as far as the build, and it's just making it nicer from this point forward.
I kind of like the 2x4 and just lay it down. They get you an 1.5 inch clip.
have it right here.
Huh?
The plan is once summertime rolls around, we'll go ahead and strip down all that brush, throw on a ladder, and now we have a swim fishing dive platform. So we've put a lot of time into doing the build, and again, we're just making improvements. This was another trip where we threw that curtain on and another curtain on the end. We've got anchors, expanding anchors that we're able to throw out to make it more stable. We tie it off to a tree when we get up close to it. All of these are just continuous improvements. Let's go ahead and see how it looks when we're doing some shooting out of it. YouTube says that this video is perfect for your viewing habits. This is my latest upload, and over here is a playlist you just might enjoy. I hope you liked it. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and come on back for more.